guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a challenge. I won't stop playing Fortnite until I get, I'm not gonna stop playing this solo match until I die. So basically, yeah. And if you hear any sounds, that's just because our neighbors are renovating, and yeah, that's not my fault or anything. Okay, so basically, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like the video. I am also doing a Roblox giveaway, so if you want a chance to win a legendary pet, comment down your username down below for a chance to win. Also, subscribe to my sister's channel, Complex Amy. She posts nice videos. She posts Roblox videos and Minecraft. She is doing a voice reveal at 20 subs, so go subscribe now. The link to her channel is in the description of this video. Okay, so if this video gets 10 likes, I am going to do a friends reveal, yeah. So if you want to know who my friends are, just make sure this video gets at least 10 likes. Yeah. Okay, so let's literally, Okay, so basically, I really love the new skin I just got from the new Battle Pass. I really love the new Fortnite update. Yeah, so just need to say that, yeah, next update I'm gonna, basically I'm going to live stream it. So if you want to see the next update live streamed, all you need to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below your thoughts of the video. By the way, subscribing is free and this helps the channel out a lot. By the way, thank you for, So guys, I guess I really am happy just for those 3 people that subbed to the channel. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. I really appreciate it. Yeah. But please don't hate on my channel because, I just started and I'm still I'm still little, so please don't hate or I'll stop making YouTube videos, please. Okay, so now I'm in a taxi, and okay, so 25 players are left. This is intense. Oh my god. Sorry about the sounds again. Sorry about the sounds. Okay, come on. Okay, it's good because there aren't a lot of people around, It could kill me even though there are so little players left. I hope you like this video. Okay? So yeah, as I was saying, I really like this new update. I like how the floor is pink, one of my favorite colors. And yeah, so I know this doesn't have a thumbnail because it doesn't let me do one, but I'm gonna try in the future to make one. Okay? Okay. Very few people are left, 14 people. Let me try to find someone and kill them, because that's, how the game is. Oh my god, I just died. See you next time.